Welcome to Pi International Education. আজকের ভিডিওতে আমরা specifically learn করব about the SAT examination. So the SAT exam is basically an entrance or admission test like exam that students give when they want to apply to universities and colleges in countries like the United States.
SAT. The SAT is needed for admissions to most undergraduate programs at U.S. universities. A few universities in other parts of the world, including Singapore and Canada, also require the SAT.
So if you're planning to go for your undergraduate level education in the US, you may want to think about taking the SAT exam. কারণ SAT examটা একটা admission, one of the major requirements for getting into universities and colleges, and it can also help you get really good scholarships. So আজকের ভিডিওতে আমরা একটু focus করব about some common things that you can start practicing from right now in order to do really well on your SAT exam.
The SAT consists of 3 tests: reading, writing and language, and math. The reading test has 52 questions which have to be completed in 65 minutes. The reading test will assess 3 facets of command of evidence. The use of evidence. Students need to find the evidence in a passage that best supports the answer to a previous question or that serves as the basis for a reasonable conclusion. The analysis of an argument. Students need to identify the way authors use evidence to support their claims. The analysis of quantitative information. Students need to examine informational graphics and relate the information conveyed by them to the information and ideas conveyed through words. The writing and language test has 44 questions which have to be completed in 35 minutes. This test contains passages. All writing and language passages are created especially for the test so that errors can be intentionally introduced. Passages are several paragraphs long so that students engage in complex, real-world revision and editing tasks, and students will often need to have a good understanding of one or more paragraphs or even the entire passage to answer a particular question. Distinctive features. Some questions test students on the expression of ideas. These questions ask students to improve topic development, organization, and rhetorical effectiveness. This category includes passages on the topics of science and history and social studies. Other questions test students on their understanding of standard English conventions. These ask students to edit text so that words, phrases, sentences, and punctuation are used appropriately and in a way that is consistent with the practices of standard written English. As on the reading test, some writing and language test questions assess how well students understand words in context. These questions ask students to improve passages by using words carefully and with purpose. Students' command of evidence is also assessed by some questions on the writing and language test, as on the reading test. These questions assess how well students revise a passage to improve the way it develops information and ideas. Informational graphics. The writing and language test includes some passages that are paired with tables, charts, graphs, and other informational graphics. Students are asked to draw connections between the graphics and the text they accompany. For example, students might need to correct a passage's inaccurate interpretation of the data presented in a table or to improve the clarity or precision of that interpretation. However, they'll never need to use mathematical computation to answer the questions. Math. The math test is characterized by questions that test mathematical reasoning in a way that reflects the work students are doing in classrooms across the country. Emphasize fluency and understanding, Ask students to solve problems grounded in science, social science, career scenarios, or other real-life contexts. The test covers all math practices with an emphasis on problem solving, modeling, using appropriate tools strategically, and recognizing and using algebraic structure. You cannot use a calculator for the first math section, which has 20 questions to be completed in 25 minutes. You are permitted to use a calculator for the second math section, which has 38 questions to be completed in 55 minutes.
A lot of students, they get really confused, or sometimes they delay their preparation for the SAT, even though they know how important it is and how their score can help them get really good scholarships and how their score can help them apply to some of the top universities and colleges in US. তো এই ক্ষেত্রে আমরা কি করতে পারি? What can we do to start preparing at the right time? এখন এটা কিন্তু ডিপেন্ড করবে আপনারা কোন সেশন অথবা কোন ইনটেকের জন্য আপনারা অ্যাপ্লিকেশন করছেন। সো এইটাও ডিপেন্ড করবে আপনারা কোন ইউনিভার্সিটি অ্যাপ্লাই করছেন। সো ইফ ইউর ইউনিভার্সিটি অ্যাপ্লিকেশনস আর ইন ফল and you need to submit your application by fall, then you have to make sure that you start preparing for your SAT at least 6 months or at a minimum 3 to 4 months before your date of giving the test. So for that, you also have to check which available months you have for giving your SAT. এটা অবশ্যই আপনারা চেক করার পরে, কারণ দেখা যায় যে when you're too late and you want to retake the exam, you may not have enough time to submit your scores to the universities. So always make sure that you are preparing at least a minimum of 3 to 4 months before you take your exam. Those of you who think that the SAT takes only about a month or two, please don't make that mistake. অনেক স্টুডেন্টরা এটা চিন্তা করে তারা খুব দেরি করে তাদের স্যাট প্রিপারেশনটা শুরু করে ফেলে, and honestly speaking, the SAT, if you take it too lightly, it can cost you marks that could have gotten you into a better university. So it can change your life if you do really well just with one exam. So keep that in mind and make sure that you schedule your preparation in advance. The second question that a lot of students have is how do you prepare for the English or the reading and writing section of the SAT? So in this video, we'll be focusing on the reading and writing section, which is the English part of the SAT, and we'll perhaps get back to the math section later with another video. So regarding the English part of the SAT, a lot of students face difficulties with vocabulary in the reading passages, or they have problems just understanding the kind of language used in the passages. So what you can do to start preparing is firstly to figure out what kinds of questions appear in the SAT exam. Now, how that's going to help is that it will get you familiarized with the question types. And if you know what kinds of questions are going to be there in the exam, then you can also learn the strategies of how to tackle each different type of question. So that's extremely important. আপনাদেরকে প্রিপারেশনের সময় অবশ্যই এটা খেয়াল রাখবেন যে কি ধরনের কোয়েশ্চেনস আসতে পারে আপনাদের ইংলিশ সেকশনের জন্য, রাইট? সো এইভাবে আপনারা যদি প্রিপারেশনটা শুরু করেন, আপনারা দেখবেন যে কোনো কোয়েশ্চেন যখন আসবে, আপনারা সেই কোয়েশ্চেন টাইপের যে ট্যাকটিক্সগুলি আছে, যে টেকনিক্সগুলি আছে, সেগুলো আপনারা মনে রেখে আপনাদের যে সলভিং অ্যাবিলিটি যেটা থাকবে, ওইটা অবশ্যই সেটা ইমপ্রুভ হতে থাকবে as you keep practicing. Let's tackle one more major issue that students face in the SAT, and the reason why many students don't score their target score, and that's time management. But I will give you one easy tip to tackle the SAT English section, in the best way possible, making sure that you have enough time to answer as many questions as possible. এখন SAT এক্সামটা কিন্তু সম্পূর্ণটা হচ্ছে MCQ based. তার মানে আপনার প্রত্যেকটা কোয়েশ্চেনের জন্য অপশনস থাকবে, আর সেই অপশনসের মধ্যে আপনাদেরকে সবচেয়ে কারেক্ট অ্যান্সারটা, which is only going to be one answer. There's going to be one right option which you have to select, right? So that means that there should be something wrong with the other three options. There will always be only one correct answer. Now, when you're practicing different questions in the SAT, you have to try to figure out আপনার যে কোয়েশ্চেন টাইপগুলোতে বেশি সময় লাগছে সলভ করার জন্য সেই কোয়েশ্চেনগুলো আপনারা জাস্ট মার্ক আউট করে ওইটাকে লাস্টের দিকে you need to keep those questions for solving at the end of the test. That way, what you're doing is you're keeping all the hard questions or the questions that take too much time and you're leaving them for the end. কারণ প্রত্যেকটা question SAT it's only for 1 mark and all of them have the same number of marks. So by just managing your time in this way, you can save a lot of your time and you can actually score much better on the SAT. So thank you so much for watching this short video on the SAT. We'll be coming back to you with more such videos in the future. So stay tuned and keep following Pi International Education.